Whee!
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox, set up and review the Smartrike 6-in-1. Here we have it. There's a few features I will show you, like folding it together later on. That was something I really was looking how to do it or how to put the wheels on, etc. So I will put it in a few bullet points, and I also mentioned them under the video. And you can see the minutes when it was mentioned. So if you want to skip some of the points, like the unboxing, so go in the description, you can see the points. So let's get going. So first of all, let's do the unboxing quickly. I fast speeded this up. So here is how it arrives. Comes out of the box. It's quite a bit is set up already. So here you can see some of the wheels falling out. So let's have a look. There is here a note. You can pause the video if you want to read it, some important notes. So first of all, here you can see Paul took some of the wheels and put it aside that was loose and took some of the pieces off and had a look at the manual here. You just have to make sure that everything is there, the wheels, here the pedals. And there's also a tool. That's this little metal piece there next to the wheels here. So here the front wheel, you just had to put this back here, the sunshade, and the front wheel was clipped in here. There you can take it out. So let's turn it over. Next you have to open it up. Here you can see this part needs to be pushed up. There's sort of latch here on the side, and then you can open it up the other way around, and then you can attach the back wheels. They have to go in there with a click, and also the front wheels. So here I'm going to show you the proper unfolding and refolding again. This is just to set up the quick one. So here's the front wheel goes in. You have to push it in so until it clicks here, just a bit more, and then once it clicks, it's in. Next, we're gonna take the back wheels and put them here on the side until it clicks, like so. And now let's turn it over and do the other side here. You do the same thing, take the wheel and put it in until it clicks. And now let's turn it sideways and I will show you separately all the features and how you can set things up. We have had this Smartrike now for about a month and we're very happy with it. It is very well security tested. It has very good security ratings. That was very important. I initially thought of spending less, but you can see for the security ratings it's very important that once your baby or your toddler is in here that it is stable. So that was very important, and I've took it also a bit of cross-country through holes and stuff and up the pavement and down the pavement, and so touch wood, she's never fallen over, it's never went like this, so it is quite nice and stable like this. So here is the security bar. I like it very much. You can use this Smartrike from 10 months onwards. I like it because she's still young and so it keeps her in place. I'm going to show you now how to attach it. So you take the harness, this is the top part and the zip is the bottom. So it would have to go like this, so you have this part up where the zip is. Take it and you push it in here. And then So like this, and you know, you just push the red thing this way, and that's how you get it out. Here you see the handlebar for the child. Obviously, if I had this, and it's quite nice for her to hold on. Let me just put this up. It goes also closer, like if you have maybe later on when she's pedaling herself, then she has it a bit closer here to herself. And also you have to just press this button and push it down. Yeah. So here up, press the button, and here totally, I mean, you just press these two buttons in and then down. That's simple. So that's it. Next we have here the seat recline. Let me just take this off. So let me show you. Here is the seat. Here is the back of the seat. So here you have this button. You open this up, yeah, fully. You recline it, and it's like this. That's the other option. So you see, this is the normal, and that's how it is reclined. And then you have to still fix this properly back here and push it back in. So this shouldn't move. This should be like this, yeah. It shouldn't be like this. So you need to fix it. Look, you have to sometimes push this thing back further properly. Also here, that's not how it should be. So let's make it the normal position. Here you can see this is the upright. Then you press this open here, push it back. And then you also push this thing up. So it's nice and fixed. And this is the sun protection cover. You can see here, you can put it together. It goes in here and in here over there. Here, the red part is in the front and the black is the back. So now let's put it in. You just slide it here on this side, here in here, and also in the other side, and you put it until it locks. It locks fixed, so it doesn't move. Here you can see it open up and closed. And you can also push it back if you want the kid to look around. Next we have the parent handle here. Very good, very secure actually. I always like to hold it with both hands when I walk around. Here it's extended for the parent. If you want to make it smaller, minimize it for when the kid is steering it himself. You just put these red parts here up, here. And then there is here this metal piece. You push that in and you just push it down and finish. That's it. Very simple, very easy. And the same thing, down here is this metal piece. You push it in and then it comes back out. Should come back out. You have to push this part in, this little metal piece, here and here. And then you lock it again, like this. Next we have this bag at the back. It's quite useful for small bits, like a jacket for my little one, and I have some light shoes and socks in here, or tights. But I wouldn't fill it up too much. A bottle it can hold, but not too much because it's a bit flimsy, but it is good, but it's obviously thin material, so you wouldn't want to overload it. So I've got a few things like a jacket and some tights and some shoes in here, and that's it. It just attaches here and here on this side and on the other side. And yeah, it's quite good. It's quite useful for smaller things. Next is the brake. That's here. Once you put it up, here now it's driving. You push it down with your foot and it stops. And it is very secure. My only issue with the brake is, for me, sometimes it's hard with the foot to release it, because it's so well made. It's good, but it's just hard sometimes to release, so I have to go with a hand and go like this, push it up. I don't know why. Yeah, you hear that? So now it works. So you just push it down, that's it. That's for me the only negative point, is sometimes it's a bit harder to release the brake, but at the same time it's a good point because at least it's secure. Next we have the footrest here. In order to release it, you just, here is this part, you push it down. Underneath there, between the footrest pedals, there is this button, and you just have to push it down and then push the footrest down. So basically you push this down underneath in the middle, and then you pull the footrest down. So yeah, you open them up like this. So here has the baby has the footrest. To put it back up, you just push it back up like this, and you push this again this way and up, and that's how it is fixed. The parent-child mode is easy set up here. At the moment here it's by parent controlled, the front wheel. So here's the mother and the child. So the kid can't steer at all the trike. If you want to change that when it's older and it's gonna use it as a normal trike, you just push this button here down, this one, and turn it around, and then look, it can steer the wheel. Next we have the pedals here. To put the pedal in, you first have to take this part on both sides off. So here's the other pedal. The pedal has a two-way pedal. The first one is for the kid to just trial a bit. It can't really move the wheel. And the second one, when it's fully stuck in, then it can actually pedal itself. And now I'm going to show you how to put it in here. I'm going to just show you how to put them in. So you press this button and then you get this one out, you see? You press it and you get this out, and the pedal goes in. So here you can see it's the first stage. Nothing happens, the wheel doesn't move here. And to put it to the second stage, so that the wheel actually moves, you just press the red button again and push it in, so that this black part is properly aligned here. And you can see the wheel is actually moving when you move the pedal. To take it out again, you just press this button and pull it out here. Just do it. Just press this and pull it out, and then you put this black cover back on it until it clicks in place. So how to put the Smartrike 6-in-1 together, how to fold it up together fast is, first of all, you put this one up here. The sun protection you either keep here or you take it off, however you want. Then you take the handlebar, put that down. Then you take here the foot pedals, press this button, put these up. These pedals, you press this down and up. Then we go to the back. So here you have the handle still you need to fold down. So you take these up here, and these. And here I have this part. Push it in with the hand and you push the handle down. So you got it like this. You have this part here. Don't pull it too hard, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And this is where my problem was for me, because this was a bit, I don't know, it was a bit hard to open up. We pull this, push, and push this down. Yeah, just a bit like that. So I do it like this. Now I have it like this, and then I push the handlebar down and this out. So you push them apart, yeah, the chair. You see this? I do that with one hand. So So I repeat, you take here this little handle down there with the ribbon, you just pull it out just a tiny bit, this little part, and then you push the Smartrike handle down and the back, and then you turn the whole thing around. And here you can see this part here on the side, it locks here, into this part here. You just push it together and lock it in, like so, and so it's fixed. And finally we just have to take the front wheel off. You just press how to remove it, you press this button and then pull out the wheel. Oops. Oh. So, and you can put it in here. That's it, easy peasy. So here we put it quickly back together, really fast forwarded here, put the wheel back in there, then open here the clip so it opens up here, this one on the side, open it up, then turn it around here, again the back, and put it in position, the back seat fixed, and also the handlebar here, first the handlebar up and then the security bar up. So that's it, easy peasy. Here we pull this up and that's it. And now I'm going to show you how to put the little one in and the seat belt. And here we have our little baby. Yeah, she's excited. She loves this. Here you go, that's in. So, here. So how to put it together, you take this grey part and this black, you slide it into the grey, here like this. Then you take the bottom part here, this one, and you slide it into the side here. To use this way. Then you take this one, this side, the other side, and you do the same. You take the black part and slide it in here in the grey thing. And then you slide this in here and locked. And to unlock, you just press the middle button and it's open again. And now we will go! Yay! Oh! Ha!
Do you like it?
Yes!